guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a video about how to stay healthy. I am amazed by how many people I meet who are in poor health, wander around in a crowd at an event or in a shopping mall, and people just don't look at words, talk to people and listen to their long list of ailments. People are out of shape, weigh too much and have little energy. So what can people do to stay healthy? Eat properly. Obesity is a huge issue in this country, pun intended. Over 2/3 of Americans are overweight and 36% are obese. Further, 32% of children and adolescents are overweight. This is unbelievable. As recently as a generation ago, you would rarely see obese people. For sure, some of this is hereditary, but most of the issues are due to poor diet and sedentary lifestyles. Volumes of books have been written about diets. Over the past decades, we've seen low-fat diets, no-fat diets, low-carbohydrate diets, low-simple carbohydrate diets, high-complex carbohydrate diets, high-protein diets, low-protein diets, water diets, cookie diets, milkshake diets, etc. Similarly, just after everyone rushes to try these diets, someone issues a study saying the diet doesn't work or isn't very healthy. It's frustrating. The best diet is one that has a balanced nutrients measured by calorie intake. US dietary guidelines recommend that you eat more fruit and vegetables, whole grains, fat-free or low-fat milk and milk products, and lean protein, and consume less fats and sugars, sodiums, dietary cholesterol, and alcohol. While these guidelines are useful, it's hard to follow all of this in day-to-day life. The most important thing is something my grandmother always said: moderation in all things. Don't overeat and eat a variety of foods. Balance your intakes. The way to lose weight is to eat fewer calories over the course of each day. Another important practice is to eat breakfast. Studies show that skipping breakfast triggers the body to eat more later in the day and store calories. Other hints are to eat smaller quantities in each of 3 main meals with healthy small intakes in between. 2. Exercise. Once you've balanced your diet and limited calorie intake, you need to balance your calorie index teacher. Calories in and calories out is a good focus. If you burn more calories than you consume, weight will drop. If you eat more calories than you burn, usually you will gain weight as the body stores the excess. Again, volumes of books have been written about various exercise regimens. The most important thing is to shut off the television, put away the electronic games, and get out and do something. An aerobic exercise, weight or strength training, helps to form bone density and build muscles that more efficiently burns calories. Aerobic exercise also burns calories, helps with endurance, heart health, lung capacity, and strength. Studies show that metabolism increases during exercise but also continues at an elevated rate for hours afterwards. Be careful, don't go from a sedentary life to full throttle. Make sure your doctor says you're healthy enough, and then start to slow and work your way up to an exercise regimen. Be sure also to drink enough water as you increase your exercise. The best exercise, in my opinion, is walking. Walk outside when you can, or to go to a shopping mall and walk inside inclement weather. But move. Walking at a pace of 20 miles burns about 240 to 300 calories per hour depending on weight. And walking helps strengthen your heart, increase bone intensity, and builds endurance. Get out after dinner and go for a stroll. 3. Sleep. Finally, after eating right and exercising, you need to sleep. The average adult needs about 8 hours of sleep per night. Sleep is the weight cure-all. It is a time when your body recovers and when your immune system is improved. A survey conducted by the American Cancer Society concluded that people who sleep less than 6 or more than 9 hours per night had a death rate 30% higher than those who regularly slept 7 to 8 hours. Even those who slept 6 hours or less, who otherwise had no health problems, had death rates 1.8 times higher than those who slept normal hours. So don't treat your sleep. And so, essentially, with moderate calorie intake, exercise and burn at least as many calories as you consume. Sleep 7 to 9 hours per night and live forever. Okay, not forever, but a live healthier, higher quality life. So that's the end of our video. If you find it interesting, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.